Welcome Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki S-Cross SZT 1.6 automatic. I've been around the vehicle and all the panels are unmarked and there is no paint defects. Well, as we can see, the vehicle has privacy glass on 3 sides, front and rear parking sensors, diamond cut 17-inch alloy wheels, mirror integrated turn signals, and also body coloured door mirrors and door handles to go well with the chrome roof rails. A quick look inside the vehicle. We can see we have the multimedia infotainment system with the digital climate control featuring aircon and front and rear heated screen, multifunction steering wheel including paddle shift and cruise control, and power folding door mirrors. This vehicle will come with a 12 months MOT and a full service carried out by our factory trained technicians. And if you haven't already, please feel free to read our reviews on many different platforms such as Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. Thank you.